Here we want to be able to solve the inequality. We have the absolute value of 2y minus 9, which is greater than or equal to 14. So here is our inequality. We can see that the absolute value is isolated. We have a constant on this side, and we have greater than or equal to. So the definition of when we have the absolute value of x, which is greater than or equal to k, gives us the following. We would say that x is less than or equal to negative k, or x is greater than or equal to positive k. So let's write out the definition here. So we have 2y minus 9, and we're going to say that's less than or equal to negative 14, or 2y minus 9, which is greater than or equal to 14. Now let's go ahead and solve the inequality. We're going to add 9 to both sides. And so when we do that, we end up with 2y, which is less than or equal to negative 5, because negative 14 plus 9 is negative 5. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2. And so therefore y is going to be less than or equal to negative 5 over 2. Okay, or on this side, we're going to add 9 to both sides. So we end up getting 2y, which is greater than or equal to 23. Divide both sides by 2, and therefore y is going to be greater than or equal to 23 over 2. Okay, so if we wanted to graph this on the number line, and imagine if the number line was the y-axis, so we would have, let's say, negative 5 over 2, and then we would have 23 over 2. What is the solution going to be when we graph it? Well, we know that we're going to go from negative infinity all the way to negative 5 over 2 with a bracket. And then we're going to start a bracket at 23 over 2, and it says greater than. It's going to go all the way to positive infinity. So writing this out in interval notation, we have parentheses negative infinity, comma, negative 5 over 2 with a bracket, union, bracket, 23 over 2, comma, positive infinity. Let's go ahead and write this answer. So we have parenthesis negative infinity, comma, negative fraction 5 over 2 with a bracket, union, bracket, fraction positive 23 over 2, comma, infinity with a parenthesis. Check our answer, and there is our result.